Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today we are going to discuss about tool holders in CNC machines. What are the important elements of tool holders oblique adapters? So here one thing is back taper. This is a tool holder oblique adapter. So this is back taper. It interface with the spindle. So back taper is there, and in the front side tool holding portion is there. Tool is held in this portion, and back taper it matches interface with the spindle, and one V groove is there. This V groove is for automatic tool changers. If for ATC this groove is there, and one drive slot is there, drive dog slot here in the center. So this is a drawing for adapters. Okay, now let us discuss other things. Here if you see, this is front portion tool holder. So this is your tool is given here, and this is a collet tool is held in the collet, and there is a collet chuck. This taper here matches with collet chuck and this collet chuck and collet. So this collet, spring collet, this collet is very important here. So, and there are 3-4 types of collets. Collets are ER collet, TG collet, R8 collet and a DA collet. Generally these are 4 types of collets. So here this angle of the collet, this angle for ER collets it is 16 degree, approximately 16 degree ER collet, this, and TG tremendous grip it is 8 degree, half of this, and R8 it is also 16.2 degrees R8 collet, and DA is double angle, 25 degree angle is there. We will discuss it in the next page. So this threaded cap is there, a cap, and this is your tool. This is assembly of the tool, collet chuck and cap, threaded cap, front portion. Okay, and these are the chucks, collet chucks. This is a collet chuck. If you see here, this is collet chuck. This is your end mill holder. End mill is held in this portion, this side, and this is hydraulic tool holder. Here it is hydraulic tool holder. It is a milling chuck here, milling chuck, and this is your shell and mill holder. Shell and mill is held in this portion here, this side, and this is shrink fit holder. Shrink fit. So this holder is there. So these are types of holders. So this is total. We are discussing about front portion here, front portion of collets. Sorry, tool holders. And next, if you see here, these are the collets. This collet is ER collet. This is ER collet. If you see, this is a drawing of the ER collet here. This included angle is 16 degree here, 16 degree. Interface with the collet chuck, and this is 30 degree front side for cap. Cap angle is also 30 degree, so this 30 degree angle is there, and these are the slots here like this, and these dimensions, all dimensions are given. These diameters, it may be any diameter here. There are different types of collets are there. So these are ER type of collet. And next is, if you see, this is your double angle collet here. These are all double angle collets. This angle is here 25 degree, and here also it is 25 degree. So these type collets are also used. And next is R8 collet. This R8 collet is there. This is your tool in the collet, if you see, and this angle is given here 8 degree 30 minute. It approximately 17 degree is the total included angle, and this side, this thread is given 7 by 16 20 UNF, unified fine threads. So these dimensions are given here. So this is R8 collet. This type collets are R8 collet. And TG collet, tremendous grip collet, ER and TG are same, only the angle difference is there. Here the angle is 16 degree, and in that TG it is 8 degree. Instead of 16 it is 8 degree here. Otherwise it is same as ER. Okay. So next, if you see here, uh, this is our back portion. So that front portion we have already discussed. It is back portion. So back portion, these are types of uh, adapters: DV, CAT or CV, BT taper. BT is there. These we are discussing all this taper only. This back taper here. So this back taper is 7:24, and it comes approximately 16.6 degree. This is the included angle. This included angle is 16.6 degree. So one side angle is 8.3 degree. Okay. So, and this here pull studs are there. These are pull studs here. Pull studs, and one more is HSK. It is hollow shank adapter. Hollow shank. So in hollow shank, this taper is 1:10. 11.44 degree approximate. 1:10 taper is there. And this QC, DT, DO, this type of collets, this type of adapters, in this also angle is same, 7:24. That means 16.6 degree. Here also it is 16.6 degree. And these adapters are generally used in conventional machines generally. But in CNC, this type of adapters are used. Pull studs are there, and here it is HSK hollow shank. And lastly, if you see here, this is your BT40 taper. Tool holder is there. BT40 taper. This is your pull stud here, and this is a taper, back taper, which matches with the spindle of the machine. And this is the fork here for tool changing, for ATC. Fork is there, and it is held in the fork like this. So I think it should be clear to you. These are collets and adapters, tool holder, everything. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Meet you soon in next video. Thank you.